Hey there, friends. Are you ready to take charge of your future and learn the most in-demand freelancing skills for 2025? If you're looking to earn money online, gain financial freedom, and work on your own terms, then stay tuned because this is the video for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which freelancing skills you should focus on to stay ahead of the game and start earning big. Let's dive right in. First up, we have artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI is everywhere these days, from chatbots to self-driving cars. Businesses are constantly looking for experts to help them build and improve AI-driven solutions. If you're interested in tech, this is the skill to learn. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy have beginner-friendly courses to help you get started. Next, let's talk about video editing and animation. The demand for high-quality video content is skyrocketing. Social media, YouTube, and even businesses need creative video editors and animators to make their content pop. Whether it's creating explainer videos, editing vlogs, or making advertisements, there's plenty of work waiting for you. Tools like Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects are essential, and you can find tutorials online for free. Moving on, we have digital marketing. This is a skill that's not going anywhere. Companies are investing heavily in online marketing to reach their target audiences. Specialize in areas like social media marketing, email marketing, or search engine optimization (SEO) to land great gigs. Platforms like HubSpot Academy and Google Digital Garage offer excellent free resources to get you started. Now, let's talk about copywriting. This is one of the highest-paying freelancing skills out there. If you can write persuasive and engaging content that sells, businesses will line up to hire you. Copywriters are needed for ads, emails, landing pages, and more. The good news is, you don't need a fancy degree, just practice writing and study the basics of psychology and persuasion. Another hot skill is web development. Businesses of all sizes need functional, beautiful websites, and they're willing to pay good money for skilled developers. Focus on learning front-end languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, or dive into back-end technologies like Python or PHP. Platforms like Freelancing and ClickCraft Academy can help you build your skills step by step. If you're into design, consider UI or UX design. This is all about making websites and apps user-friendly and visually appealing. With the rise of digital products, companies are prioritizing great user experiences. Tools like Figma and Adobe XD are must-haves for UI or UX designers. Take online courses and start building a portfolio to showcase your work. Finally, we can't forget about data analysis. Companies rely on data to make decisions, and they need professionals who can analyze and interpret that data. Learn tools like Excel, Skull, and Python, along with visualization platforms like Tableau. Data analysis is a great option if you love working with numbers and patterns. Alright, now that we've covered the best freelancing skills for 2025, it's time to take action. Choose one or two skills that excite you the most and start learning today. Remember, consistency is key. Keep practicing, building your portfolio, and applying for jobs online. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn are great places to find clients. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Which skill are you most excited to learn in 2025? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Together, we can achieve our freelancing dreams. Thanks for listening, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, keep learning, keep hustling, and make 2025 your best year yet.